Total Rehab Center, Holistic Health. It began with a dream and a well-timed opportunity. Their contracts were all coming to an end at the clinic they worked at, and Lorraine's brother had a vacant floor of a building he was about to rent. Lorraine went to Nicole and said, "I have this opportunity. Do you want in?" They spread the word among a few colleagues and soon had a small team ready to begin a new adventure. Total Rehabilitation Center was established in 2007 by founders Nicole De Freitas, Doctor of Physical Therapy, and Lorraine Hadid, Clinical Exercise Physiologist and Cardiac Rehabilitation Specialist. Carla Rausio, Doctor of Physical Therapy, joined them in 2010 as a partner, but she had played a key role from the clinic's inception. Rounding off their team from its start was physiotherapist Taryn Gobin, massage therapist Melissa Ali, and reflexologist Shavana Inalsing. They were later joined by physiotherapists Chanel Otley and Tiffany Clerk, occupational therapist Stephanie Yanos, massage therapist Tina Greenwich, and exercise scientist Rochelle Burns. The dream of these three young women has now blossomed into one of the premier clinics in Trinidad and Tobago, staffed by a robust team of extremely qualified specialists who are well respected throughout the health and wellness industry in the country. So, how did they each get into the field? Well, for Nicole, her career path was actually a dream of her aunt's to be precise. Her aunt dreamt that Nicole was a physical therapist. Right around the same time, she was observing how much physical therapy had helped a cerebral palsy patient in her neighborhood. Nicole went on to attain a Bachelor's of Science in Biology at Florida International University, which she followed with a clinical doctorate in physical therapy at the University of St. Augustine for Health Sciences in Florida. She later became an ergonomic assessment specialist at the Bach School of Atlanta and is also a certified kinesiotaping specialist. Lorraine was intent on being a lawyer, but had always had a passion for exercise. At the gym she frequented, some men had suffered heart attacks, and Lorraine was talking to her own aunt about the possibility of doing something along the lines of cardiac rehabilitation. Her aunt was quite adamant that she should research it properly and do a degree, not a course, because she did not want Lorraine to be a physical trainer. Lorraine graduated from the University of Texas with a Bachelor's of Science in Kinesiology and continued on to do her Master's of Education in Kinesiology with a specialization in clinical exercise physiology. She later became the first clinical exercise physiologist in Trinidad to establish a cardiac rehabilitation and medical fitness center for heart patients, and she has also been linked to top cardiac surgeons in the country. Carla was studying environmental science during her freshman year at university when she got injured playing collegiate volleyball. She spent a lot of time with the athletic therapist and became interested in therapy as a career, so she changed her undergraduate degree. She is now a licensed physiotherapist and a certified strength and conditioning specialist with an undergraduate degree in sports science at Mount Holyoke College in Massachusetts, which she followed with a master's in physical therapy at Springfield College and her doctor of physical therapy through Temple University in Philadelphia. She has worked with the Trinidad and Tobago Golf Association, Caribs Rugby Football Club, Marlins Swim Club and Water Polo Club, and the Trinidad and Tobago Karate Federation. She also teaches at the University of the West Indies, and she is a columnist in the sports section of the Trinidad Guardian, which affords her the opportunity to impart her knowledge on health, fitness, and rehabilitation. So now you know about some of the folks at Total Rehab. Here's a bit more about the clinic itself. Firstly, the clinic functions mainly on doctor referrals, so it would be wise to see your own doctor to ascertain the extent of damage and see whether you need therapy in the first place. At Total Rehab, they strongly believe in the power of a network to achieve one common goal. They have built up a robust network of healthcare providers throughout the country, including physicians, surgeons, educators, counselors, and other allied health professionals. In the few years of its existence, Total Rehab has expanded their service area and gained more staff that specialize in various areas of therapy. They've established an aquatic therapy program and are working diligently on enhancing their wellness program. Beyond varying fields of expertise, the staff also consists of a very diverse range of cultures and backgrounds. The team's members have studied all over the world and maintain their relationships to the outside world. So, rest assured, despite it being a local clinic, there's a world of expertise within. They also strongly believe in education. Beyond constantly building upon their multidisciplinary approach to health and wellness, Total Rehab has also become very involved in physical therapy and community education. They have done presentations to employees at their offices on the intricacies of ergonomics and taken part in various medical conferences, seminars, and health expositions. They have also established relationships with local and foreign schools and universities, providing clinical internships in physical therapy and assisting students involved in the health and fitness industry. To learn more about Total Rehab, read the full article on our website www.ttwellnessconnect.com. You can also check out their website www.totalrehabtt.com or call their office at 1-868-675-4973.